I recently discovered about this dating app sa Facebook. Kasi kabalo na, dating apps. Di ba sa atong Facebook karon, nanasay ka ng dating, di ba Facebook dating? A friend of mine shared this to me a few nights ago. Ano siya? Bro, nanay bago karon. Pwede na maka-date dire. In fact, dagang kasi ka-chat. Dagang kasi di lang ko isulti kung kinsa siya. Pero naa siya dali karon nagkangkaon. And actually, it's okay because our generation, mo kita buhat, right? But I was just so blessed. I just thank the Lord for this. That kato nga time, we didn't have this kind of technology before eh. Way back in the 1990, 99, basta high school me. Wala may ng dating app sa una. Wala may na sa una. Pero if ever nagyapon to nga dating app, dili gyapon ko maka-download na nga app. Ask me why. Because I was already serving the Lord during that time. Gusto mo proof? Tanawan niyo kung naong diya karon. Muna guys, first year high school pa lang I was already preaching the word of God. That's why it's really dangerous if you're alone. Do you believe this? Sa mga boys, it's really dangerous if you are alone. Namo-type na lang kadritso og www. Kabalo na kayo sa sumpay na. Grabe, it's really dangerous. You easily get tempted about this. So here's the advice. Number one advice is this. Keep serving. The reason you need to keep serving because you cannot relax because evil never relaxes. Do you believe this? Yes, you can take vacation, but you can never take vacation from the Lord. That's why the best defense against your temptation is this, is to always engage in battle, right? You should never let your guard down.